Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn money in your 20s. If you're in your 20s, you're probably looking for ways to make some extra cash, or maybe you're trying to find a way to start building your wealth. Regardless of where you're at, we're here to help you figure it out. First, finding your passion. The first step to earning money in your 20s is to find your passion. What do you love to do? What are you good at? What skills do you have? Finding your passion is key because when you enjoy what you do, it won't feel like work. You'll be more motivated and energized to work towards your goals. Take some time to reflect on your interests and what you would enjoy doing as a career. Second, education and training. Once you've identified your passion, you'll need to acquire the education and training needed to excel in that field. If you're interested in a career that requires a degree or certification, start researching schools and programs. You can also look for online courses, workshops, or mentorship opportunities that can help you gain the necessary skills. Remember, investing in yourself is always a wise choice. Third, freelancing. One of the best ways to earn money in your 20s is through freelancing. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms, choose your clients, and set your own rates. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com make it easy to find freelance opportunities. Fourth, investing. Investing is another great way to earn money in your 20s. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have to let your money grow. You can start by opening a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. You can also invest in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. It's important to do your research and understand the risks and potential rewards of any investment opportunity. Fifth, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a fantastic option for those who are looking to build wealth in their 20s. Starting your own business can be a challenging but rewarding experience. Identify a need in the market and develop a product or service that solves that problem. You can start small and work your way up, or jump in with both feet and go all in. It's important to have a solid business plan, understand your target audience, and be prepared to put in the hard work required to make your business successful. So there you have it, some tips on how to earn money in your 20s. Remember, finding your passion, acquiring education and training, freelancing, investing, and entrepreneurship are all great ways to build your wealth. It's important to start early and stay focused on your goals. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.